Hello, and welcome to the Healthy Life with Kimmy podcast, your go-to source for all things related to healthy living and well-being. I am your host, Kimmy Nunnally, and I'm so thrilled that you are on this journey with me. I am on a journey to a healthier and happier and more vibrant life. Also, please check out my YouTube channel, Healthy Life with Kimmy, where we have discussions, interviews, and practical tips. We also have the free email list so you never miss when I go live. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and welcome again where fit is the new it. Hello, and happy Saturday. Welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmy. How are you today? Well, listen, I just wanted to come on today and give you guys an overview of how my first week went on WeightWatchers. If you haven't been following me, I started my journey again last Wednesday, so it's been about 8 days now. And I just wanted to give you, like I said, an overview of how my first week went. I started WeightWatchers 17 years ago. I did it for maybe 12 weeks. And at that time, you had to write in a book and journal that way to keep track of your points and everything. So anyway, this year I decided I wanted to get myself together, and that was one of my goals at the beginning of the year. I know people always make those kind of goals, and I'm one of them too. I'm gonna get fit, I'm gonna get healthy, but this year I actually decided to do it. I had quite a few tragedies that happened in my life the last 4 years, lost some parents, siblings, and all kind of stuff. And I just decided this year, actually for myself, I'm going to get my weight together, my health together. It's more health. That's why I call the channel Healthy Life with Kimmy, because I'm not so focused on the weight. I want to focus on everything. So let's get into what happened. So I joined WeightWatchers on a Wednesday. I did my first meeting that night. I was so excited, so pumped up. And they were so welcoming, and I was so excited. I couldn't believe it. I was just like, I actually did this. So what really drew me this time was being able to be on Zoom, the virtual classes. I have a couple friends that do WeightWatchers, and the virtual classes, I love all things virtual. I'm gonna tell you, during the pandemic, is when we really had to use, let me close this so it don't be so bright. Is when we really started using all this virtual stuff, and I love it. I do. So I've been doing the virtual meetings. So I joined on Wednesday. I did my first meeting that day. I did another meeting that Thursday. So within my first week of doing WeightWatchers, I actually did I'm trying to make a left turn. I actually did 5 or 6 meetings. I know that's excessive, but when I start doing anything, I'm gung-ho, I'm all in. I want to learn everything I can, and I just love the topic so much. And each class is so different because you have different people and they're sharing their journey. So I would log on just if I was, doing whatever. I would just log on and listen to a meeting. They're only 30 minutes. You can log on 10 minutes early if you want a little extra coaching. You can stay 10 minutes late. So my first week, like I said, counting points was not easy because I'm not very structured. I don't really like a lot of structure. But I tracked every single day. I wrote all of my food down. Now, I don't count my 0 points. Check out my video about that. It's coming out soon because I'm putting this out today, which is Saturday. So the one about counting my points will be on Sunday. So you can go back and watch my, all my videos. I have about 13 now, I guess. 7, whatever. I'm just starting this channel. So anyway, I actually tracked every single day. So I was so proud of myself. Now, I don't count my 0 point foods. I talk about that in my video, but I track all my major food that I have to count. So, and I'll go over that in the video, so check that one out. So, because then WeightWatchers, you have some stuff that's 0 point. So you got 2 different ways you can do it. It's totally personal preference. But, so I did track all my stuff for consistently. Like I said, I'm on about day 8 or 9. And I've even got a little kudos from WeightWatchers. A little thing popped up and said, you tracked every day. So I tracked everything. If I did forget, which I did not actually, I really was very diligent about tracking. So as a result, my first week, I did a video on that. You can go back and check it out. I lost 4.7 pounds. But the main thing I really wanted to talk about this today is how did it go? So I felt good. I felt controlled. The main thing I was trying to avoid, structure, doing the app and everything, it actually gave me control, because I could eat what I want, but I just know, hey, if I eat this, it's a point associated with it, and what is that going to do to my whole day? So sometimes I had to make different decisions. Now, I still ate bad within those points, and my body felt it. So go back again and watch some of my other videos I put out as to why I even started, and to about how I was trying to get healthy, and I was just sick of being sick. Because even though I have Weight Watchers and I have the points to keep me accountable, I could still cheat and put bad stuff in my body, and that's exactly what I did. And I was sick, guys, a couple of days this week, because I have my gallbladder removed. So I told you, we're going to be real frank on this channel. I have another channel. It's my notary business that I do, but this channel is strictly about my health journey. And I'm going to be very raw and honest. So I had my gallbladder removed in 2020. I lost my dad in March of 2020. And I had my gallbladder removed in May of 2020. So if that wasn't enough for you, I lost my sister in 2019. I lost my mom in 2022. I lost my father-in-law in 2022. So it's just been a lot. I ain't gonna lie. So emotionally, I'm a freaking wreck sometimes. But it's okay, because I'm coming out of it, and it's just doing this channel talking about my weight. I actually asked my husband and my sister, I said, do you think I would be doing this channel if my mom was still alive? And they both was like, no. And I don't even know why I asked that question, because my mom and I, about my weight, you know, sometimes it's been complicated. And I'll be talking about that on the channel. But I said it would be 50-50. She would either be like, how you going to talk to somebody about your weight? Or she would be like, sure, you could do it. Yeah, why not? It might even motivate you. So, you know, like I said, it would be 50-50 on what the response would be. So anyway, all that being said, I had a good week. I made different choices because I was on Weight Watchers. I've been doing smoothies every day, has been my go-to breakfast. I actually feel better when I have the smoothie. The smoothies I've been making consist of like strawberries, blueberries, spinach, or kale, ginger. I started putting peanut butter in it a couple of days. So I actually like the peanut butter in there, surprisingly. I might do a video on my smoothies. So I actually did like it. So overall, though, I had a good week. I still went out with my friends. I went out twice with people and ate lunch. Did make different decisions because I was on the system. And all the meetings really helped me. So you don't have to do 5 or 6 meetings like I did in your first week. But they were virtual. Like I said, it wasn't like I had something else I was doing. So I just went ahead and signed on to these meetings. And the coaches are so nice, and each coach has their own personality. You know, each coach is different. So I learned something from each one. And then, what else was I gonna say? So I did my workout every day. I've always done that. I'll do that another day too. Just talking about what I do for working out. But I normally do my elliptical. I normally do walking. I love walking, but I'm afraid of dogs, so that limits me walking in my neighborhood as freely as I would like to, because sometimes some of my neighbors had their dogs out. As far as cooking meals, I actually tried a couple of different things. If you haven't caught the video I did about star fruit, I ate a star fruit for the first time. I actually tried cauliflower potatoes, you know, fake cauliflower mashed potatoes. And I tried also couscous, or wait a minute, it was one more thing. Oh, dog, I can't think of it, y'all. Quinoa, not couscous. It was quinoa. So I actually tried quinoa. So this week has been very, very productive. I mean, I tried different foods I never would have tried before. I tracked every single day. Now, what I am lacking in is my water. And naturally, I like water. I'm not a person that has to put, you know, a whole bunch of stuff in it. I normally like it. But I think because now I need to do it, I ain't doing it. You know how that works. So anyway, I need to drink my water. So that's one of my goals for the next couple weeks, is to really increase my water. And even increasing my spinach and my kale and all that has been really amazing too. So I wanted to just, like I said, give you an overview of how my first week went. Are you doing Weight Watchers? Is that why you're here? Are you just getting health tips, just being encouraged? I hope. Let me know how your first week went, or if you're just thinking about starting. I'm just kind of curious. Let me know. Let me know how everything is going for you. Let me keep going. I was gonna stop, but let me drop a little more. Yeah, so let me know how your first week is going. If this is your first week, if you've been doing Weight Watchers for a while, give me a couple of tips that will help me to stay motivated. Because I know this is a journey, and it's not just, you know, a quick bam, thank you, ma'am. You know, I know this is for the long term, and it's not going to be easy. And I know it was so funny. Somebody made the comment, you know, when you're a lifetimer on Weight Watchers, you get to come to all the meetings and stuff for free forever after you meet your goal weight. And I want to eventually do that. I would love to be a teacher at Weight Watchers. I love teaching. I love talking, if you couldn't tell. So I would love to talk about my journey and help other people. So far, I've been doing it by means of my channel, and that's been a blessing for me because it's therapeutic. As I mentioned in some of my videos, I love, you know, sharing at this stage in my life. I'm very open. I don't mind sharing. So let me know, again, some tips that have helped you on your weight loss journey, okay? I'm just curious if it's anything that I need to put my GPS on, because now I'm lost, y'all. I'm trying to go somewhere without my GPS because I was doing this video, but I'm about to pull over. So I hope you're having a happy Saturday. I know the weekends are challenging, but I want to let you guys know you got this. Go out with your friends. Think about what you're going to eat before you go out. You know, look at those points. Look at the restaurant you're going to. Normally, you kind of know where you're going. Even if you don't know where you're going, kind of think about, okay, what can I eat that's lower point that won't throw me too far off? You know, now's the time to start thinking. Don't wait till you get into the situation. And that's one of my strategies that I will be using, because I love going out with my friends to eat. So one of my strategies is definitely going to be, don't wait until the day of. Go ahead and start thinking about, okay, I know I'm going to Applebee's. What salad do they have? What grilled meat do they have? Even if you want barbecue ribs or whatever, just make sure you put it in your points. Allow for that. Don't go out without a plan. Always plan, because of what they say. If you don't have a plan, you plan to fail. All right, guys. Well, until next time, this is Healthy Life with Kimmy. As always, it's my pleasure, and please drop me some comments. What are you doing to be successful? How was your first week? How was your first year? I'm just curious, okay? Until next time, bye. We thank you again for listening to today's episode of Healthy Life with Kimmy's podcast. We invite you also to join us over on our YouTube channel, again, Healthy Life with Kimmy. And don't forget to sign up for free emails where you, again, will receive tips, tricks, and always be notified when we are going live. Well, thank you again, and we wish you much success. Don't forget, fit is the new it.